Okay, this time we're going to change from our improper fraction to a mixed number. So I'm starting with the same examples that we used before, but I have it written out as an improper fraction first, and I want to show you how we go the opposite way. So again, you could draw out pictures, but at some point it's going to take too long to draw pictures and you need to know another way to do it. So my 9/4, I can see from my picture, I have 2 holes filled in, and I have 1 out of my last circle filled in. So I already know my mixed number is going to be 2 1/4. But I want to show you mathematically how you can do it without the picture. So all I'm going to do is take my numerator and divide it by my denominator. And I'm going to write it in a box the way we learned how to do long division. This is why we did long division before fractions. So my first step is to divide. 9 divided by 4 is 2. I write that on top. Next step is multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. I write that on the bottom. Now I subtract. My remainder is 1. And you remember how I had you write your remainders as fractions? There was a reason for that. 2 1/4 is my mixed number. 9/4 equals 2 1/4. When you write your mixed number, make sure you write the whole number bigger than your fraction. Let's do it again with 5/3. I'm going to write my 5/3, numerator inside the box, denominator outside the box. First step, divide. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Second step is multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Third step is subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Nothing to bring down, so I'm done, and I'm going to write my remainder as a fraction. So 5/3 is equal to 1 2/3.